Over the past few months, my friends and I have been working on a 1992 Jeep Cherokee XJ as a group project. Now, we're at it again, learning as we go and hopefully accomplishing a pretty cool build. We're currently piecing together some pre-cut out bumper kits that you can buy offline. While they're pretty basic by themselves, they will provide a good platform to build off of.
Hooks angle down, maybe?
Lower, which is good.
Go ahead, just take one.
While Steven and Tony get the front bumper welded up, the rest of us will get some pipe bent for the front grill guards. It should be said that I was able to purchase the front and rear bumper kits, 80 feet of 1.5 inch pipe, and the pipe bender for less than I could even purchase a single bumper.
More like you.
Like that?
Yeah.
So is that looking pretty good?
I think so. Power.
Today, we're fitting some fiberglass fender flares, along with getting the rear bumper welded up. These flares will provide adequate room and coverage for the larger tires.
Oh my goodness. There's no way y'all got those right.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to serve me.
We're done.
First try. Yeah, we need a hook.
Looking good.
Cover. Just said before you do it.
Steven setting up the tannerite. We're gonna shoot it today.
Alright, we're ready now.
80 yards?
Huh?
Not 80 yards.
I don't know.
Y'all
ready?
Ready?
Fire in the hole.
Knock the lid off of it.
No way. I just bumped out. Done for.
That was just a gun?
So what, aim a little bit low then?
Yeah.
Maybe a low to the right? It almost looked like you spun the cap off of it.
That'd be weird. We should go look at it.
We're not gonna shoot the Wow, I put a big old hole in it. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay, just sit and pick up. We will be building a roof rack out of Unistrut, also known as Superstrut, a product you can buy at most of your common hardware stores. And you shake it until the ball stops rattling.
Never.
What I put up with. My mom requested that we take a break and band a cat. Amongst the other educational things I would do, this is also one.
Alright, yeah, good.
Okay.
Yep. What just happened to me?
That looks pretty nice. So it's just Tony and I here today, and we're waiting on the others to get here, so we're just going to tack up the other swing out right now, and that's what I guess we'll work on in a moment until they get here. Like a dream. So I bought these pins to be the latches for the swing outs on this bumper, and the way I built this bumper, I haven't designed it to where it accepts latches very well. And this one right here is ugly as everything, so we're not going to do that. That's kind of just a concept. We're going to do this pin, and we're going to mount it something like that, and there will be a tab and a hole in the bottom of this pipe right here with a tab up, so you can just shut it, and that will be the latch. So you'll just have to pull down on this pin like that to open it. Isn't the greatest of ideas, but it's gonna get us working. So that's the idea. So turns out I didn't have a 3/4 drill bit, so I had the 3/4 little bushing things right here, and we're gonna cut a U out in that best we could. We're gonna stick that in there, weld it up, and grind it off on the backside, make it smooth, and then tack it on to the bumper. Okay, so this is a piece we just made, and it's gonna fit up in there, kind of like that. And that pin right there is gonna go into it. So we'll see how it works. Today, we hope to coat the Jeep in bedline, but there's a lot that has to be done before we're ready. What's going on, Steve?
Trying to do this Murphy's way.
Table. So while Dad and them are painting the car, they are going to winch up these bumper pieces and get them primed so we can get them coated with bed liner also. Painting the roof rack, the last bit, the last paint that we have. We may or may not make it.
There are some things that are too time consuming to do on the days we get together, so I'm going to try to knock those out in my free time.
I don't know if there's an easier way to do that or not. That is really hard and annoying, but I got it, I think. Slide it into place.
I wanted a radio with a larger screen for GPS purposes, but couldn't do it in its current position, so I swapped it with the climate controls.
What I'm trying to figure out now is I've got this little switchboard, and this is what will control the lights for all around the car, and probably the air compressor and some other things. And while I was in the dash, put that little switchboard right there, and that will control the lights. Voila! So I've got to find a place to put all this wiring that's going to have to go in here. This fuse and relay box has got to fit in here somewhere, and there's also going to be some breakers and some larger fuses for the dual battery system and the the air compressor and such. So there isn't much room under the hood of an XJ as like just compartment space. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to build a plate that bolts underneath the hood prop, and then it's going to wrap around over the heater core hoses over here, and this will bolt something like that, and then that'll also, the plate will leave extra room for the breakers and stuff like that. This is CAD, Cardboard Aid in Design.
Now, we're installing some 9-inch LED lights from Auxbeam, our sponsor for this video. This particular model is the Ray L series, which puts out a whopping 34,180 lumens. I do believe it will be plenty of light. With the wiring harness and mounting hardware included with the lights, installation was a breeze.
Ready? Turn it on. Whoa. Yeah.
Pretty bright.
Sweet. Is that what you said? That's not your name.
Upside backwards.
Huge thanks to Auxbeam for providing the lights. They are of good quality, perform well, and really give the Jeep the look I was going for. Be sure to check out their company and their product link in the description. A big thanks to my friends and family for all the time and effort they put into this. I really hope you all enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for part 3, as we still have a long ways to go.